What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super exciting to dive into. Another One Piece booster pack. And not just any packs. Today, we're opening the PRB01 booster packs. Packs 99 and 100. I'm hyped to see what we get, especially since this is a collection of previous sets. Hit, hit, hit. I hope we pull something big. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can get lucky and pull some of the iconic cards from the previous sets. Maybe even some AA or manga if we're really lucky today. Fingers crossed, right? Nice. Looks like we're starting off with a good card. These old cards really captures the essence of the OP world, doesn't it? A Jolly Roger event card. Good. Another good card. Ooh! Bartolomeo. Another entertaining character in One Piece. Okay? An SR Eustace Kid. OP01. Is this the hit? I suppose this is not the hit. Okay, let's see. Okay, my hands are really slippery. Okay. Ooh. AA? Ano? A common card? Mihawk. An alternate common card. Uh, which is the hit here? I think the Mihawk is the hit. Although common, it's still a AA. Since my fingertips are really slippery, I am wearing gloves now. Not a bad start. Now let's crack open the second pack and see if we can do even better. Guys, please subscribe and follow, and please watch the next video I'm going to upload. I'm going to show you the conclusion to opening 100 booster packs. So we will see there if this is really just for hobby or a worthwhile investment, not just a hobby. So please watch the next video. Okay, my hands are still slippery. I think I'm going to remove a glove. Okay, all right, much better. Here we go. Okay, still slippery. Gangbej. Okay, Don Quixote family. Makino, a common Dracul Mihawk card, the Jolly Roger card, okay. And our hit is nice! Gecko Moria. All the Gecko Moria cards I've seen are really awesome looking. Great looking cards. Very vibrant colors. Gecko Moria cards really stands out. Very beautiful cards. Okay, last card. Let's see. This is a hit. A Capone. Alternate rare. Okay, this is a hit. I think this is the hit. Great looking card too, but I like the Moria better. Yes. So we have two great PRBO1 pulls. These packs are great, but I don't know if the value is equivalent to what I have spent. But the important thing is I enjoyed opening these packs. Just a common Dawn card. It's still great. A Crocodile Dawn card. Guys, please watch the next video I'm going to post. That is the conclusion to our little study or experiment. Follow and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Your continuous, unwavering support. Thank you, guys. Follow and subscribe, guys.